dear student, we learned in previous video about the water barrel. The story you understood? I hope you understood well. There was a boy named David, and he lived in his house, which he made recently with all family member. With his family member means in his family member who only his parents and one person pet. The four together make a house, beautiful house, and there was a grazing area also, and some work is rest now. कुछ काम बाकी भी है ना. And one he make a water barrel, water tank एक बना रखा है जिसको कि फुलफिल करना, जिसको कि जिसमें वाटर स्टोर करना. The duty of David, only the duty of David. David brings the water from the river and store in that barrel. And one day the parents take leave for the morning, enjoying with family members. But what happened? He saw the water is no in the water barrel. When David go to see, David becomes some upset because this is his duty to bring the water from river and put into the barrel and store that. So he becomes some sad because he planned for that morning enjoying with the parents, enjoying with the pet, and he वो उसको ये beautiful morning, he wants to be turn that morning in a beautiful morning, in a cool morning, and enjoy so much that day. But what happened? There was no water in the barrel, so he becomes sad. It is my duty, I have to go to river and bring the water and fulfill that tank. That's why he becomes some upset. He was a strong boy. He was not tired, but his plan was ruined. That's why. So now today we take the activity number 7. In this activity, so many questions are written here. Which character have been mentioned in the story so far? So far, 4 characters are mentioned in the story. They are David, his parents, father and mother, and Pete. Question number 1. Which character mentioned in this story? Answer. In this story, there are 4 characters mentioned. David, his father, his mother, and Pete, servant. These four characters mentioned in this story. Second one is, which character have spoken in this story? Question number 2. Which character character is spoken? In this story? Answer is David and his parents are spoken in this story. Third question is, who do you think the पेटे is? पेटे कौन है? आप क्या समझते हो कि पेटे कौन है? ना, who do you think the पेटे is? Question number 3. Who do you think the पेटे is? Who do you think the पेटे is? Answer. I think or in my opinion, I think Pete is a servant. Pete is a servant whom they were hired. They were hired. Because he has also helped David and his parents to build David's house. They were hard. Because he also helped them to build their house and still living with them. In the area. What do you think Pete might Pete might be doing? What do you think Pete might be doing? Answer. Pete might be grazing sheep. Pete might be grazing sheep. Cattle in the pasture. Sheep or cattle in the he had so happy to build the house. He had so much, he had so much to we had so much to build his we had so much to build his house. David has many things he had preferred to do on the nice day besides carry water. What are your favorite things to do on a nice day when you are free? When I am free on a nice day, I would like to play cricket. हाँ कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हो whatever you want to do when you are free in the house. So here written कि you can also write कि I want to play cricket, I go to see the movie or anything. I would go to shopping malls or book fairs or on off day. I would also like to go the movie with my friends. If alone at house, I would watch TV and play video games. This type of story I'm making in your own words. In your own words, you can write anything. This question. When I free, I will this. When I will free, then I want to go for shopping in a mall, watching movie or show. We also want to meet some friends or relatives whom I not meet for a long time and enjoy so much and anyway want to enjoy that day. अंडरस्टूड। आप यही चाहोगे ना कि छुट्टी हुई कि आज हम खूब फन करें, खूब खुशी मनाएं, खूब अच्छे खुश रहें, कुछ शॉपिंग करें, कुछ किसी से मिलने जाएं, इस तरह के गार्डन में जाएं, मूवी देखें, रेस्टोरेंट जाएं, यही सब चाहते हो ना। तो यही कुछ पंक्तियां लिख देना है, कुछ लाइन्स आप लोग इन योर ओन वर्ड्स राइट अबाउट योर इन योर ओन लाइन्स। Guess what will happen? Do you think David will do this work or will he do the thing he prefers? David, being a obedient boy, would surely do the work assigned by the parents. He is very much willing to go out and do several other things that would bring him pleasure, but he would not like to disobey his parents. इसका आंसर है कि डेविड वॉज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉय एंड ही वो टायर्ड भी नहीं होता है, ही डू नॉट टायर्ड। यहाँ आपको इसका आंसर देना है डेविड दे दो। डेविड इज अ obedient boy. Obedient boy is very strong. He is very strong and does not feel and he does not feel tiredness and he does not feel tired, so he can do any type of work. Surely he can able to complete. Surely he can able to complete the work which he get from others. Other means if either his parents or any other person give him any work, he fulfill, he complete that all work. Because he was a strong guy, he don't feel tiredness, but he is enthusiasm. He know his work, his duty. He fulfill his duty, and also he is a obedient boy. He follow the word of his parents. That's why. So now this type of the activity number 7 is completed, and the next day we take the next activity. So please learn the all question answer properly, and if any other question you have, then ask and I will complete you And word meaning is also very important. All word meanings and all question answer you by heart. The both activity is about water barrel, and also one another activity number 8, the water barrel part 2. This one we take in the next video.